Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to run the command prompt as an administrator on your computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about this without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just I'll go on the start button one time. Type in user account. Best match to go back with change user account control settings. Go ahead and left click on that. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now you'll notice that our settings are turned up above the recommended level here. So there's 4 different settings you can select here. But in our case, you can see that we're already up to the maximum setting. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to just adjust this. So just go ahead and left click inside of the recommended setting, which should be the second one from the top. And then go ahead and select OK to save that change. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now, once you are done with that, you want to go ahead and open up the start menu. Type in NETPLWIZ. Best match to go back with NETPLWIZ. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the properties option and then select group membership. You want to make sure you're set to the administrator group, so make sure it's set to administrator here and then select apply and OK. So if you had to make any changes, perhaps you were a standard user by mistake, hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. Close it here. So you will need to restart your computer, so we're going to go ahead and select yes. Appears it only signed this out, but I'm actually going to go ahead and do a full restart here. Okay, so once you have restarted your computer, hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.